Hey, we're going to take a look at our new kit, Zingraff Casting. It's a small structure, about 6.5 inches wide by 6 inches deep, mostly brick hydrocal with a small addition that's laser cut scribe siding. It's got a bunch of details. We're calling it Zingraff Casting, but of course you can call it anything you like. It's suitable for a welding shop, machine shop, just about any industrial application would work. So let's take a quick look. It's installed on the layout here, not permanently yet, but it will be. So it pops right out, so we can take it out and take a look. So the kit does include all these details you see here. Most of them are 3D printed. You can see our little cabinet there, some junk clusters. One of our dumpsters is included as well, and of course some metal castings. All the windows and doors that are included are plastic and mold injected from Tichy. And the kit does include the rooftop sign. You can see the skylight on the roof. That is 3D printed along with the large dust collector. And there is a freight door in the back. The freight door is laser cut. We'll just tilt this up so you can see the roof here. So with a flat roof like this, there's a lot of opportunity for detail. You can certainly do more than we did. You can add a roof access shed, just some more junk and barrels that ended up on the roof. And this little corner here is a great opportunity for more detail than we added as well. So all of these brick walls are poured out of Hydrocal into a urethane mold like this. And you can see the detail there. You can also see how good the detail is with Hydrocal. We do have a video on how to build a Hydrocal structure kit to give you tips on a building like this. This one's pretty simple, it's just the 4 walls. The walls do require some cleanup, but it's fairly simple and straightforward. The kit includes 3D diagrams to show you how everything does go together. So now that we're done producing the kit and getting it on our website, we can install this on the layout, which is going to be great. We really like how it sits here. It's great with the other brick buildings. It's a good fit. Hopefully you can use it on your layout. Please take a look on our website, and also there's a link to the video on how to build structure kits up the top here somewhere. And take a look at that, and it'll really help you out if you're trying to build a brick Hydrocal kit.